Hey folks, today is November the 13th. It's currently 7:19 in the afternoon. We're now going to do our final Bounce Trader update review. It's going to be week number 8. That means we have been testing this now for 2 months. All right, let's go ahead and get back over here to the review page and see exactly what happened this week. All right. It looks like we had a relatively stable week. We definitely did not lose money this week, but we also didn't make a lot of money. As you can see, we ended the review down 3.06%. So the EA definitely did fail the test here. But let's go ahead and jump into the MyFX book account and see exactly what happened. So it looks like we actually earned 1.1% this week. And this month, overall, we're up 3.67%. So that's definitely a good thing to see here. Unfortunately, like I said, September, October were pretty bad months for the expert advisor for Bounce Trader. And that kind of put us in the hole. 3.06% here. And let's see. Actually, I want to check the vendor site real quick and see exactly what's going on with that. But before we do that, we'll go ahead and check the MyFX book account so we can see exactly what our indicator did this week on the charts. And this week, as you guys can see, Monday, not much news to really hinder us with our trading. Same with Tuesday. Same with Wednesday. Wednesday was a bank holiday for the U.S., but obviously the Forex market doesn't stop for U.S. holidays or any holidays for that matter. Thursday, you can see here Fed Chair Powell speaks. So that could have given us a bit of whipsaw depending on what was said. And Friday, another clean day. Actually, let's see here. Flash employment change, flash GDP. All right. So no high impact on Friday either. All right, let's go ahead and jump in and see exactly what happened. Obviously, we did make money this week. We're up 1.1% or 1.01, I believe it was. First day of the week was the 9th. No trades open, which is always a good thing. All right, so it looks like here are the 3 trades we took this week. You can see $48.70. And let's see here. That was on GBP USD. Let's pull this up here. Let's take a look at that trade. All right, so it looks like it was right here. Buy trade, got in right down here. Rode it all the way up to our profit target of 48 pips. So definitely happy to see that we were able to make that profit. And let's see, we got a few small wins here. Looks like these were, first one here was a buy, as you guys can see. Got in right here. Market moved up. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it did move our stop into break even, or looks like break even plus 2, which is right there. And the market came back down and took us out for a few pips in profit. And then we had a sell trade right here. And something similar happened. You guys can see we got in here. And where was our stop? All right, so it doesn't look like the stop on this one was moved down, or at least I can't see it. It's possible it's in here somewhere. And this is just a red bar, so I can't see the stop. But yeah, it must have been moved to here. And we just can't see it inside the bar. So that's kind of what happened there. We were able to make a few pips out of that. About 4 or 5 pips for that $3.80 win. Win is a win. Definitely happy to see it. Didn't get a strong enough move to obviously get down to our 50 pip profit target. But definitely happy to see a winning week. All right, so technically that is the end of the Bounce Trader review. Hopefully we will have something new and interesting coming up in the coming weeks here. And I should have a new review started before the end of November. And also I should have a product that has been going longer than just about any of these others that I'm testing and has been performing extremely well that I'm going to be bringing back shortly. So that'll definitely be something for you guys to look forward to, so we can see what happens with that. And I plan on adding, never mind, we'll talk about that a little bit later when I reintroduce it on the site here. All right, so let me get back here. If you guys have any questions on Bounce Trader, you can let me know. But as always, with these reviews, if they in the review period in profit, they pass testing. If they in the review period losing money or in a loss, then they fail testing. So obviously at this point, Bounce Trader has failed our testing here. So I definitely cannot recommend it. That's not to say that over the long term, it won't dig itself out of this hole, similar to the way that other EAs have, but this is just the period we have with it. All right. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you next week for some new and updated reviews. Take care, folks.